Hello everyone. Today we are going to take our homework about past tense regular verbs. You have to complete these sentences using the verbs in parentheses. First of all, my sister brushed her teeth 2 minutes ago. And then Greg played so well yesterday. Number three, they helped their mother yesterday. Number four, she called me yesterday. 5. Susan walked her dog 2 days ago. Number 6. We washed our car last month. Number 7. My uncle stopped smoking 3 years ago. Number 8. The little baby cried a lot an hour ago. Number 9. I studied English last year. Number 10. John and Jessie liked their teacher. Remember that the final pronunciation can be d, t, or ed. Let's continue. This is the final part. My brother planned a trip to Europe. You passed your exams. Number 13. I watered flowers. None of my friends supported me. Number 14. Remember, it means help. Number 15, he talked to me silently. Thank you very much. That's all.